Yung question ng mga tao, para dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano ba talaga yung role ng DOE and ERC sa electricity prices?
Since we've liberalized the market, ang DOE, ang role niya talaga is to issue policies that will incentivize power plants, power generators to supply more electricity and to also diversify their energy sources. So they create the right environment.